If you have a 16 and up Toyota Tacoma and you're tired of your dull taillights, Morimoto has an upgrade just for you. In this video, we're gonna show you the two styles that we offer and how to install them. Let's get started. All right, once you get over here, it's gonna be a 10mm socket and a ratchet of your choice. You're only gonna take off the top bolt and the bottom bolt. So once you get those bolts off, just go ahead and pull the taillight towards you, and there will be 3 clips that you'll have to disconnect. Now, before I install and bolt this taillight back up, I'm going to show you guys how to get the sequential feature. If you grab the plug with the 2 wires, which is the green and red, that's going to be your sequential option. But if you don't want that and you want a standard flash, you can go ahead and unplug this and put this into the plug that has the yellow wire. The next step will be plugging in your OEM harness into the Morimoto XB taillight plugs. And one of the final steps, all you have to do is tuck your harness in and slide in your brand new Morimoto XB taillight. Inspired by the design of the OEM taillights, these look at home on the rear end of the 3rd gen Tacoma. With all the versions of the Toyota Tacoma from 16 and up, they're extremely easy to install. The prominent light blades are illuminated from the rear with integrated TIR optics and serve the brake light, parking light, and turn signal. Often reverse lights are overlooked when it comes to taillights, but that's not the case here. The Morimoto XB tails for the Tacoma have full LED reverse lights integrated, with 8 LEDs dumping light into the reflector base optic. It's safe to say these will outshine most factory headlights, but in reverse, they're extremely effective. And just like that, your Tacoma taillights have been upgraded. If you want to see what other products we offer for your vehicle, make sure to go to morimotohid.com, click your year, make, and model, and we'll see you next time.